ex-wife yaseWicknell Sonja yodedzera kuseWicknell anekadora vana havasi vake ngasiyana neni ngadye mari yake anga isingandigutsi. Handizi guys kuti mati kudini nazvo, munongoziva mega seWicknell ane mukadzi mutsva, saka pane hondo iri kuitika. Sonja ari kudedzera kuti ndane nguva ndisingatauri naye ngasiyana neni uyu.
Okay. 1. I have not physically seen or spoken to Wicknell in 7 months. So why my name keeps popping up to me is really actually beyond me. 2, which is way more important, is my kids and I are not part of all of this drama. As schools open in 3 weeks, I would really hope and pray that other parents of normal kids would not subjugate my kids to unfair judgment. We're also on the receiving end of all of this that's going on. Thirdly, to whoever is in my life and whoever will be in my life, trust me, one day it'll end. So we just need to keep on praying for our enemies so that they move on in peace. That's all I'm going to say. So respect your business partners. Respect the offices that you go in. Why are you always just making noise on the internet? Please. Aren't you supposed to be at church? Aren't you supposed to be Kumasowe? And how Masowe we know. But Wicknell and I blocked each other on social media last year, May. So I don't know why everything I post comes back to him. He's stalking my pages. He's always talking about where I am, who I'm with, and what I'm doing. Wicknell, why don't you tell the world how your son found out about your girlfriend? Huh? My son was scrolling through TikTok and saw your videos. So I want you to take this time. I'm not really addressing you. Is this what you want for your kids? So you want to put this girl against me, but go online and talk about how great a dad you are. My guy, I don't give a fuck who you marry. Marry and move on. Okay? And the person who you do marry comes to fit into, unfortunately, your existing life, which is John and Minana. Okay? So do you want me and your new wife to be enemies? Is that what you want? Because if that's what you want, cool. You guys, this is the last rant, I promise. Just to give you a rundown on the background of what was happening behind those pictures. We woke up to a message from Wicknell. We said our Merry Christmas messages. He sent back a really lovely message saying, Merry Christmas, my family. 2, he posted those pictures this side when it was in the morning time. And by the afternoon here, he'd seen no one had replied to him from my end of the family. Sent my mom a 9-minute audio. So Lulu, you need to pay attention when he goes to the bathroom. He's either sending my mom an audio, or he's calling his kids, or he's checking up what I'm doing on the internet. So you need to be a little bit more astute, little sis. Okay? And then thirdly, I'm 7 hours time difference to you in a foreign country with your kids. Why do you want to play these games with me? I don't want to play games with you. I don't know how many times I have to say it. Please. Tomorrow's a new year, Wicknell. I wish you the best. And to the both of you, I still wish you the best. I'm not here trying to be an enemy. Okay? I'm actually here because I care about who's going to be in and around my kids. That's the only.
I'm sure mazvinzera mega guys. Ndiani ari wrong, ndiani ane jealous between seWicknell na Sonja. Thank you so much.